the soft towel revolution begins. Hey everyone, it's your favorite laundry enthusiast here, diving deep into the world of laundry hacks. Today, I'm about to reveal the ultimate secret to achieving soft, fluffy towels. The secret ingredients to towel nirvana are vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar acts as a natural fabric softener, while baking soda eliminates odors and enhances fluffiness. Here's the step-by-step process to achieve soft, fluffy towels. Step 1. Load up your washing machine with towels. Step 2. Pour in half the recommended detergent. Step 3. Add 1 cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle. Step 4. Sprinkle half a cup of baking soda into the drum. After drying, witness the incredible transformation. Wrap yourself in these soft, fluffy towels for pure bliss. Say goodbye to scratchy fabrics and embrace the world of ultimate towel indulgence. Try this game-changing laundry hack and let me know your experiences in the comments. Stay cozy, my amazing subscribers. Do email or leave a comment under the video if it was helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get alerts when I post new videos. You can also share the link to help friends and colleagues.